Hey guys, it's your girl Kelly, and I'm back. Yes, I'm back after like what, 3+ years. Well, so much has happened during that time, and you know, just life and a whole bunch of other things that's like way long to even get into right now. Maybe, you know, throughout other videos after this one, I will probably get into it, or maybe I won't. Okay, well, anyway, today's video is more or less a prize mail video where I've won a couple of giveaways and I wanted to share the prizes that I got. Prizes! This prize in particular is from Hank and Henry Beauty. And like I said, I won this off of IG and I tagged a couple of my friends, Kat and Tashira. Shout out to you guys. I didn't even think I was gonna win anything. I usually just enter giveaways and to try my luck because you never know, you know? So anyway, I did it and they contacted me sometime last week and I was just so surprised because I haven't won anything like this in a long time. I also wanted to get into it. I also won another giveaway with like a scavenger hunt that I did on not IG, I did on Facebook, I believe. And this one in particular is coming from Galaxy Gems Boutique, where they have accessories, hair things, all kinds of different little cute things that you can wear. And I have no idea what's in any of these right now. I think I know what's on this, but I have no idea what's in this. So stay watching and we'll get into the prizes. So first things first, I opened the prizes off camera, broke the tape and all. So I wanted to get into the prize from Galaxy Gems Boutique. Now here it goes. Open the envelope. Oh, okay, there's some things in here. I gotta be gentle. Okay, all right, we have some cards from my lovely friend, Avians. Hey girl, you look so cute in this picture. Anyway, thanks again for picking me for this prize and just in general having the scavenger hunt. It was just a cute little thing to do for something really nice like this. So thanks again, boo-boo. Well, we have also a couple of other cards. I think her cards in general. Here's her card. I'll show you guys really quick. We can see that. And in the back it says Galaxy Gems Boutique, accessories for all occasions. Let's get into the goods. That's what we're here for. All right, she packed in this cute little bag, cute little pink bag. Oh, there's some things in here. Hold up, girl. What? She like loaded this. Look at, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna get into everything little by little. All right, so we have here this cute little ring. Oh my God, this is adorable. Lord knows I needed a bunch of new accessories, so yo, this came like just in time. Look at this, how beautiful. By the way, guys, I will link below the link to her boutique so you can check all this cute stuff I'm about to show you really quick. So check this out. Check this out. How pretty. This is like a necklace. So pretty. And it comes with a cute little matching earrings. Let me separate it for you guys. It's a little bended just because it was in the packaging, but once it's out, it will get more shape. How pretty. Let's fix it. I'm sure it looks so pretty on. Look at how gorgeous. Next, we have some beautiful bangled-like earrings. Let's take it out the packaging. I'm telling you, I needed some new accessories and she lucked out. Look at how cute. Oh, girl, can you see this? Imagine them on. Ugh, don't worry. Can't wait to do looks with these. All right, next we have, let's see. I believe these are earrings. Let's open them. Only one way to know is to open it. Oh, these are, oh. Can we like peep this really quick? How pretty. Like a hoop dangle kind of earring. How official. Wow, so pretty. I can't wait to try these. I'm telling you. Now I also have next these gorgeous copper-like earrings. They're like dangly. Guess you can see it a little bit. Maybe I don't have to get these out the package, but you can kind of see what they look like. Here we go. Gorgeous. So pretty. Definitely see myself wearing these for the holiday. The upcoming holiday at least. Up next, I have another necklace and earring set. It's a classically classic copper necklace. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's take it out the packaging. See really quick. Oh, okay. Double packaged. Oh, okay. Now we have more of an idea. So you guys can see the pendant. How pretty is that? There's the little matching dangly earrings. If I can get them to come out of being. See? How pretty. I love it. So cute and simple. Perfect for the holiday. Up next, I have another necklace. A long dangly kind of necklace. Let's get it out the packaging. Oh, it's called, does it have a name? Does it have a name? Yes, it does. A drop by drop brown necklace. Oh, and it also comes with earrings. Look at this detail on this one. It's a bunch of cute little rings where this is more like a statement necklace. And the earrings are also really cute. And if you choose not to use earrings, you can always wear something plain with this. But both together look really cute. Okay, so off camera, I opened this other long necklace that is called a tassel tease white necklace. And I'm opening it now because it's super long. Ooh, let's not get stuck. Come on. Okay, look at how pretty the pendant is. It's like of course a tassel, just as it said. And it's super long. I can put it over my head right now. All right. That's really pretty. Oh, did I turn it the wrong way? Maybe because I have it wrong, but look how pretty that is. Okay, now we have some more rings. I have 3 more rings. Let's open this one. It is called a Chasing Starlight white ring. This is it. Finally opened it off camera. Look at how pretty. Can't wait to wear these things because I really have nothing. So it's like a blessing to even get these. How pretty. The next one is a trident gold ring. Ooh, look at how pretty. Let me get that on the finger. I love it. All right, so what I thought was a ring is not. It is some beautiful earrings. Look at these. Such a statement and sparkly. This is called, let's see the name. The Galaxy Glimmer Brass Post Earring. Look at how pretty. All right, we have 2 more earring and necklace sets. We have the Shimmer Sensei gold necklace. That is this guy right here. Let's open. Ooh, another long and dangly. Let's check that out. How pretty. That's so pretty. Oh my god. It's super long. I love it. All right, let's get into the next necklace. Okay, here we are. This one is called, I forgot to say, the Glitter Bomb White Necklace. Let's take it out of the packaging. If it doesn't get stuck. Ah, come on. All right, let's check this one out. Wow, it's so pretty. This reminds me of a necklace I used to have many years ago, but it broke. Look at that. And it's, again, long. And it comes with earrings. The other one I don't think did. I thought it did. Oh, yes, it did. It did. Sorry. I didn't show those little dangly earrings with the matching pendant long necklace. I thought we were all done, but as I kept digging, I found one more ring. This is the Deal Maker Rose Gold ring. Let's open. Let's check this guy out. Look at how pretty. Let's get it on the finger and check it out real quick. Pretty. I love it. Wow, thanks so much again, Avi, for all the beautiful accessories, rings, necklaces, and earrings, and a couple of bracelets. I appreciate everything so much. It's so cute. And guys, be sure to check out Galaxy Gems Boutique. Like I said, I will leave the link below in the description. That way you guys can check out this gorgeous, affordable jewelry and accessory. Time for a coffee break. All right, guys, it's time for the next prize. All right, let's get into it. It is the prize from Hank and Henry Beauty. Yay! I was super excited to win this, like I said earlier in the video. And I haven't won anything as like this big in so long. And it's not big to most, but it's big to me because I haven't really been, you know, doing a lot of makeup brands and collabs or even winning prizes or PR, any of that. So I'm super excited to open, check out, and try this. So let's get into it. Okay, first things first, let's get into this. Ooh, let's just even look at the opening. How pretty. Ooh, can you read it? I can't read on straight from the camera, so you guys read on your own. I have a signed card from Hank and Henry. This is the card. It says Stars and Shadows Collection from Hank and Henry. I guess I'm assuming that's what this is. You can read the card. Let me read it for you. Hello, my loves. I had so much fun creating our Stars and Shadows collection. I know you're going to love it. Your continued support drives me to work harder every day. Thank you. With a little heart. All right, let's get into the mess. Like confetti. Ooh, I see palettes. All right, let's break it. Let's take out the knife. All right, we got 3 gorgeous palettes. Let's get into them right away. We have the Hank and Henry Mauves palette. This is the packaging. And like I love, it slides right out. I love when packaging does that. All right, let's get into the palette. Gently. Let's check that out. Let's remove the plastic. Is it connected? Ooh, okay, hold on. Here we go. Let's check out these colors. Can we not get the reflection? Check this out, guys. How pretty. I love it. I'm living for this beautiful, beautiful burgundy and this like violet color that's called what? Rich, rich, and fine wine. You see? Burgundy wine. I be knowing. Hank and Henry be knowing. This is the Hank and Henry Nudes palette. Let's slide this baby out. Look at this, guys. Ooh. How gorgeous. This is like your everyday use kind of palette. I could definitely dig it, especially with these tones, especially. I can't hold this right. Okay, here we go. With these tones, these 4, especially this guy here too is good for a highlight. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving the little owl logo thingy. How adorable. And lastly, we have the Hank and Henry Berries palette. Let's slide it out its sleeve and open. Oops, the plastic came right out. Check out these gorgeous colors, guys. Look at how pretty. Like, can you imagine it on me already? Yeah. So that's all for the Hank and Henry palettes. They're so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use and review all of them for you guys and let you know how they all work and turn out. That's not all. There's a couple of more things in the prize box. I also have all of the, what are they called? Luster Liquid. Are they eyeshadows? Let's check this out. During post-production, I realized I didn't even record after that scene. So I decided I'm just going to tell you all the names and colors right now. Right here we have Starburst, a beautiful champagne color. Then we have a corally like orange that's called Celestial. Now we have this rose gold like color that's called Andromeda or Meda, sorry. Then this beautiful frosty white that's called Milky Way. This shimmery golden color that's called Nova. Can't wait to try that one. We have this beautiful silvery frosty blue that's called Helix. So pretty. And lastly, we have this beautiful frosty shimmery purple called Nebula. Again, I want to thank Hank and Henry Beauty for picking me as the winner for this beautiful PR bundle. And I can't wait to try it and review for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell notification to stay up to date on my latest videos. Until next time, bye!